Welcome back to the channel. If you're a car enthusiast, mechanic, or just want to troubleshoot your vehicle more efficiently, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best car relay testers to help you test your relays quickly, easily, and with precision. Let's jump right in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Aermotor Car Relay Tester. The Aermotor Car Relay Tester is a practical and reliable tool designed to quickly and accurately test automotive relays. Specifically built for use with relays commonly found in vehicles, this tester supports both 12V and 24V relay testing, making it versatile for a range of automotive applications. With the Aermotor Relay Tester, users can easily determine whether a relay is functioning properly. Its straightforward design allows for quick testing, eliminating the guesswork and hassle often involved in diagnosing relay issues. This makes it an essential tool for mechanics, automotive technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who want to maintain the electrical systems of their vehicles efficiently. The tester's ease of use means that even those with minimal technical knowledge can operate it effectively. By simply connecting the relay to the tester, users can assess the relay's condition without the need for complex procedures or additional equipment. This feature saves valuable time during vehicle maintenance and repair. Supporting both 12V and 24V relays, the Aermotor Car Relay Tester caters to a broad spectrum of vehicles, from standard cars to larger trucks that use higher voltage relays. Its compatibility across these voltages adds to its usefulness in automotive diagnostics. Coming in at number 4, the Elantra Car Relay Tester. The Elantra Car Relay Tester is a specialized device designed to quickly determine the operational status of automotive relays through a simple go, no-go testing process. This tester evaluates the general health and functionality of the most common types of automotive relays, making it a practical tool for anyone involved in vehicle maintenance or repair. The testing process begins by connecting the tester's power leads directly to the car battery. The black alligator clip attaches to the negative terminal, and the red clip connects to the positive terminal. Once powered, the tester's LED lights up red, indicating readiness. Before testing, the user must identify whether the relay is a 4-pin or 5-pin type and select the corresponding setting on the tester. The relay is then plugged into one of the tester's receptacles, and the testing sequence is initiated by pressing the Test button. The tester automatically analyzes the relay's pin configuration. If the relay is uncommon or has damaged pins, the device signals an error by lighting the red LED. For compatible relays, the tester performs a thorough examination by opening and closing the relay contacts 10 times, carefully measuring the time it takes for the contacts to close and open. If the relay's response times exceed the acceptable limits, or if inconsistencies arise during these cycles, the tester immediately lights the red LED to indicate a problem. However, if the relay maintains proper contact timing and consistent operation throughout the test, the device signals success with a green LED. After the testing sequence, the power leads are disconnected from the battery and the relay is removed from the tester. The Elantra Car Relay Tester provides a reliable and straightforward method for verifying relay performance, helping to ensure automotive electrical systems operate smoothly and without interruption. At number 3, we have the Jfind CNBJ-722 Car Relay Tester. The Jfind CNBJ-722 Car Relay Tester is an essential tool designed for car owners and mechanics alike, offering a practical solution for diagnosing automotive relays. This tester is compatible with both 4-pin and 5-pin relays and supports 12-volt and 24-volt systems, covering the majority of vehicles on the road. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of automotive applications, whether in personal garages or professional workshops. Powered by two 18650 model batteries, the tester operates independently without the need for an external power source. This feature enhances its portability, allowing users to carry it easily and perform tests on the go without being tethered to a power outlet. Compact and lightweight, the device fits conveniently into briefcases or satchels, ensuring quick access whenever relay issues arise during travel or routine maintenance. Designed with simplicity in mind, the Jfind CNBJ-722 offers straightforward operation, making it accessible even for those with limited technical experience. It provides accurate and fast results, allowing users to quickly identify faulty relays and avoid unnecessary repairs or replacements. The efficiency of this tester helps save time and reduces the frustration often associated with troubleshooting electrical components in vehicles. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, the tester boasts durability and reliability, ensuring it withstands the rigors of regular use. Its robust build means that it can endure the demanding environment of automotive repair work while maintaining consistent performance. For drivers, mechanics, or anyone invested in vehicle upkeep, this car relay tester stands as a dependable and indispensable tool to support effective car maintenance and troubleshooting. Next up at number 2 is the OBDMonster RT100 Car Relay Tester. The OBDMonster RT100 Car Relay Tester is a professional-grade tool designed to simplify and enhance the process of testing automotive relays. Capable of handling both 12V and 24V relays, this device supports testing in 5 different pin configurations, making it compatible with a wide range of relay types commonly found in vehicles. Its intelligent identification system automatically detects the relay type when plugged in, eliminating the need for manual selection and ensuring ease of use. One of the standout features of the RT100 is its broad compatibility. It can test over 20 different relay models thanks to its support for 5 distinct leg types. This versatility makes it an essential device for mechanics and car enthusiasts who deal with various automotive relay systems. The tester's automatic shutdown function ensures energy efficiency by powering off after 1 minute of inactivity, thereby preserving battery life and ensuring no unnecessary power consumption. Powered by 3 AA batteries, the OBDMonster RT100 does not require an external power source, allowing users to perform tests conveniently without the hassle of connecting to a vehicle battery. This portability enables on-the-go diagnostics, ideal for quick relay assessments during repairs or routine vehicle maintenance. Overall, the OBDMonster RT100 offers a user-friendly, versatile, and efficient solution for anyone needing to verify the health and function of automotive relays across multiple vehicle types. Finally, at number 1, we have the Aneng RT01 Car Relay Tester. The Aneng RT01 Car Relay Tester is a practical and user-friendly device designed to accurately test automotive relays, ensuring their proper function and reliability. To begin testing, the user attaches the tester's alligator clips to the car battery, placing the black clip on the negative terminal and the red clip on the positive terminal. The activation of a red LED light signals that the tester is ready to operate. Before proceeding, it is important to identify the relay's pin configuration. The tester accommodates both 4-pin and 5-pin relays, and the corresponding socket should be selected accordingly. Once the appropriate socket is chosen, the relay is plugged in and the test button is pressed to initiate the diagnostic process. One of the key features of the Aneng RT01 is its ability to automatically detect the pin positions of unknown relays. If the relay is not compatible or is defective, a red LED will alert the user. When the pin position matches correctly, the tester performs a series of 10 open and close cycles to evaluate the relay's release time. A prolonged release time will also trigger the red warning light. Following the timing test, the device assesses the relay's consistency through repeated cycles. Successful tests are indicated by a green LED light, while failure results in a red light. This clear visual feedback makes the testing process straightforward and accessible even for users with limited technical experience. Once the test is complete, the user simply disconnects the alligator clips from the battery and removes the relay from the tester. The Aneng RT01 offers a reliable and efficient way to verify the condition of car relays, helping to maintain vehicle electrical system performance and avoid potential issues caused by faulty components.